The second best time to actually grow another tree, it is today.
Nice.
Hello everyone, this is Fred Looney here, and today we will be speaking in regards to, going forward and stop letting the past hit you. Okay, so let us just speak a little bit about decisions, and then we will go into many different things, and then we will end it off. Alright? So, firstly, let us go into decisions. When you are deciding for something, when you're telling yourself, maybe I want to do this, maybe I want to do that, maybe I want to drink orange juice instead of Coca-Cola for today. You're gonna have many different decisions in your life. By right, we are making a lot and way more decisions than you think you are doing. Alright? So firstly, when we first go into here, making decisions is one of the toughest things that a person has to bear, and you really have to keep on training yourself to keep doing the decisions that you will never regret. So when you made the wrong decisions, like for example, I remember my dad always tell me that, hey, if I studied English more, because my dad is Chinese speaking, if he keeps saying that, if I have studied English, my life would be different. And I told him, like, what different would it be? Imagine him being, Chinese speaking through a period of time, through the 1990s, through all the economic, recession, pandemics outbreak, all the different things. And then he built up to whatever that he have today. He have a roof over whatever that I have. All me and my siblings are able to go to education. We are able to take all the exams all the way up to a diploma and stuff like that. This, and then I asked him, like, why are you still feeling it like that way? Like, if you have studied English, your life might be different. We might be different, but so what? We have whatever that we want. Because whatever that he defined was something that he didn't have. Whatever that you have also, you will say that, I regretted having all these things. If I didn't have all these things, I would have a much better life. Because I'm not rich, I want to be rich. Reason being is because I do not know how the rich people are staying. But when I scroll Instagram, they seems to be having fun. But they don't show you what is behind the scene. They don't show you what is behind. Like I said, I could just easily start up a video and start going into internet marketing and tell you guys, I'm laying back here in this vacation island, and it's all because I entered the e-commerce world, but I do not tell you what is inside. Only when you come to my course and I tell you that, oh, I'm so sorry, this is not refundable. You have to go through this course, you paid for it, and I don't do refunds. I'm able to do that, but however, this is unethical. I do not like this kind of attitude. I believe I want to buy something, I want something to be right for me. And that's why I'm doing free videos, giving out to you guys. What you guys need to do is to like, share, and tell people about me. I want to create as much value as possible, and also I want to spread out as much information that is accurate for you guys. Please also verify whatever that I'm saying right now. Alright, so think about this. Each time, your dad tells you that, if I had learned this thing, and they never once touch any content that is towards this category. It's because when you are keen in learning something, you do not need people to tell you, like, hey, you got to do this, you got to do that. You are gonna find information yourself. You understand how to use Google. You understand how to use newspaper. You understand that you have a library. You understand that you have books that teach you how to do things. You understand that you have magazines that give you everything. What is stopping you? That is my question. What is stopping you? It is that small little tiny bit of motivation that you tell yourself, I think I want to learn this and I have to put in effort. That's why students that go to education, they get dropout. That's why they go to education, they come out being employers. That's why there is people that, halfway they say that, oh no, I don't like this course, I want to drop out from this course. I don't like education, I don't want to study anymore, because they do not know what they want. They haven't found out what they really want to do. And that's why they don't want to learn. As long as you have a passion, let's just say that today, there is a lot of, I saw a lot of video about this Korean coffee, and you can see that, there's a crazy amount of people going to Facebook, to YouTube, to Google, to start finding information to how to make that coffee. Okay, I do not know how to pronounce that name, so it's just that Korean coffee, all right, the Dalgona coffee, I think. So a lot of people, they just keep, you know, telling you that, oh, if I have learned that, if I have learned this, but how much motivations are there? Are they willing to put in extra effort to do it? So if you are gonna, you know, put yourself in, you know, telling yourself that, hey, I regretted I do not learn this thing, I regretted that I do not do this. There is a saying that people usually tell me is, you know, the best time to grow a tree is 16 years ago. Which means 16 years ago, if you planted a tree, you get a tree now. However, the second best time to actually grow another tree, it is today. It is the time that you have right now. So it's either you execute on whatever that you do right now, or you're just lying to yourself. Hey, hi guys, my name is Prabal Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, you know, I'm gonna put out all these videos, every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, you know, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.